I had no idea this was going to become this. This business started off as a way to help my wife. She couldn't ride in any of our UTVs or anything that we had, so kind of dove into the shocks and tried everything we could do to make the car ride smooth and soft so that she could actually go on a ride. And she did. The personality of our company is enthusiastic because we're all enthusiasts in this market. We all own UTVs. Got into this business to try and make our personal cars ride better, and that's blossomed into something that most people in the industry want, need, and it's allowed us to grow.
It's a lot of fun. Very serious though when it comes down to getting to our deadlines. We do anywhere from 10 to 13 cars a day. It's a constant, go, go, go.
And what struck me when I started working with shock therapy was there was an overwhelming sense of paper. There was a lot of paper flying around everywhere.
Constantly people needed to know what someone was told, or was a customer called, or did you file this, or did you run that deposit? Where's the parts I needed?
The process worked great for when it was just a few people, but as the company grows, the paper stacks just started growing and growing.
Nobody really wants change. I mean, I know we do, but deep down you're like, we've been so used to this paper system. I don't want digital. I'm gonna be honest, I was one of the ones that was like, no, I don't want this system at all. But the more I used it and I had it in front of me, and it was just clicking on everything, like, hey, this is this person, this is it. It was literally right there. I had to do nothing.
Now when I walk into the shop, I just see everybody on their iPads, and they know exactly what to do, and everybody's getting notified when major milestones are happening. And the neat part about Claris FileMaker is that we are able to take that attention to detail. We're able to work in an agile format where we can focus on solving one thing at a time, and over time we're able to streamline the whole business. Gina, operations manager, she put up with a lot. A year ago, it looked like a paper graveyard on her desk, and now you can breathe.
We knew how amazing it was going to be. We knew how much it was going to cure for us. But we had no idea what it really was going to do once it was in place. And it's been 10 times better than we thought it was going to be, even through that design process.